Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by fixing the basics that block online play. First, confirm your NAT type and sign into Xbox Live or Steam because authentication matters for matchmaking. Plug in Ethernet or move closer to a 5 GHz router to reduce packet loss. Disable any VPN or proxy that alters routing. Once done, check the game's server status and your subscription so you know the account side is clean. This prevents false positives while you change router settings next. Now you handle the routing so matches can form reliably. Assign a static IP to your console or PC. This ensures port rules always target the right device. Enable UPnP for automatic handling or manually forward key ports like 53, 80, 3074, 500, 3544, and 4500 to that static address. Make sure there's no double NAT from a modem/router combo. If present, use bridge. Finish by cycling devices in order: modem, router, then your console or PC, because many settings only apply after a reboot. Launch Forza Horizon 4 and test online. If problems persist, verify or repair game files and only reinstall as a last resort since it's time-consuming. If you still can't join lobbies, switch to a wired connection or try a different network to isolate ISP issues. One quick troubleshooting tip: capture NAT or router logs to see blocked ports so you can pinpoint the remaining block.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.